Why every chiropractor needs to offer drug testing. Over the past few years, it has become more and more common to see drug testing offered by chiropractors. However, the connection between drug testing and chiropractic services is not always readily apparent. After reviewing the information connecting chiropractic and drug screening services, it will be clear that all chiropractors should offer drug testing within their offices. Public safety. The first and foremost reason that drug testing services should be offered within the walls of a chiropractic practice is in regards to public health and wellness. These drug tests provide answers to individuals, but the overall safety of the public is involved. Many people are apprehensive by entering doctors' offices and other testing facilities. This can potentially limit them from heading to a more traditional environment that will offer lab testing services. Additionally, companies may be unaware of nearby drug testing services offered and therefore limit their uses. As a chiropractor who offers drug testing services, you can take this information directly to the public. The more people are aware that such a service exists and is nearby, the more they will make use of it. Networking. Clients cannot go to a chiropractor they've never heard of. Therefore, it is common for chiropractors to offer as many services as possible. Chiropractors who offer drug testing services can also go out to businesses and recommend their services there. They can also incentivize potential clients by offering a discounted massage or chiropractic treatment when companies make use of their drug testing services. Supplemental income. It can be difficult to drum up new patients, especially when a chiropractor has been in a certain area for an extended period of time. You may feel that you have exhausted your clientele. However, there is almost always a need for drug testing. Having these drug testing services offered in-house will take a little bit of the edge off of the financial difficulties that come from these dry spells. If you are able to make enough money to simply keep the lights on, pay the rent, or cover some other expense, then having drug testing services offered will have paid for itself. Reasons drug tests are performed. Oftentimes, companies will require mandatory and randomized drug testings prior to employment. This is typically done on a preventative basis. However, drug testing is not always performed simply to identify a substance that has been used recently. It can also be strategically used by doctors and other medical professionals in order to provide a diagnosis and monitor treatment in order to improve addiction. These individuals will need more assistance that can be found at a lab testing site alone. Instead, the more holistic and comprehensive care that can be found in a chiropractic office will be able to help in multiple ways.